Hello grade 9, this is Batul, an English teacher from Taqarub School. So we have discussed the article about the red crescent in the previous videos, and in this video we're going to answer the comprehensive questions of this worksheet together about page 54, which talks about the red crescent. So the learning objectives: to read the passage and answer the questions based on the student's understanding. Read the text on page 54 and answer the following comprehensive questions. So question number 1. What symbol did the medics on the Russian side use to mark their ambulances during the 1877 war with the Ottoman Empire, and why did this choice later influence the Ottoman officials? So the answer is the medics on the Russian side marked their ambulances with a red cross during the 1877 war. The choice of the red cross later influenced the Ottoman officials because it reminded them of previous wars against soldiers carrying a similar flag. Number 2. How did the Ottoman Empire modify the symbol used to mark their ambulances, and what was the significance of this change during the war? How did the Ottoman Empire modify the symbols used to mark their ambulances, and what was the significance of this change during the war? So the Ottoman officials modified the symbol used to mark their ambulances by choosing a red crescent instead of the red cross. This change was significant as it addressed the Ottoman Empire's historical associations and provided an alternative symbol during conflicts. So the Ottoman officials modified the symbol used to mark their ambulances by choosing a red crescent instead of the red cross. This change was significant as it addressed the Ottoman Empire's historical associations and provided an alternative symbol during conflicts. Now, question number 3. When was the red crescent symbol formally adopted, and how many Islamic countries have recognized it as the red crescent so far? Again, when was the red crescent symbol formally adopted, and how many Islamic countries have recognized it as the red crescent so far? So the red crescent symbol was formally adopted in 1929. So far, 33 Islamic countries have recognized the red crescent. Now, question number 4. What is the Red Crescent Society's affiliation within the broader organization mentioned in the article? What is the Red Crescent Society's affiliation with the broader organization mentioned in the article? The Red Crescent Society is part of the International Federation of Red Cross and Red Crescent Societies. So the Red Crescent is a part of the International Federation, which is called the International Federation of Red Cross and Red Crescent Societies. This is the whole name of the federation. And the part of this federation is the Red Crescent, which is founded in the Ottoman Empire, then spread it around all the Islamic countries. Now, number 5. How many members, volunteers, and supporters does the International Federation of Red Cross and Red Crescent Societies have? How many members, volunteers, and supporters does the International Federation of Red Cross and Red Crescent Societies have? So the International Federation of Red Cross and Red Crescent Societies has 97 million members, volunteers, and supporters. So the number is that the societies is 97 million members. This federation has 97 million members, volunteers, and supporters. Now, question number 6. Why are Red Crescent societies considered important to the International Federation according to the article? Why is it considered important to the International Federation according to the article? So, the answer is that the Red Crescent societies are important to the International Federation because they have developed guidelines that include non-Western traditions. So the Red Crescent societies are important for the International Federation because they have developed guidelines that include non-Western traditions. Question number 7. What are 2 significant roles played by the Red Crescent today, as mentioned in the paragraph? What are 2 significant roles played by the Red Crescent today, as mentioned in the paragraph or in the article? The Red Crescent plays a crucial role today in what? Responding to disasters such as earthquakes or fires. This is number 1. And number 2, providing aid to developing countries. So number 1, responding to disasters such as earthquakes or fires, and number 2, providing aid to developing countries. Question number 8. What is a key principle emphasized by the Red Crescent when providing aid according to the article? What is a key principle emphasized by the Red Crescent when providing aid according to the article? So, the key principle for the Red Crescent is neutrality. As we said, neutrality is the state of being neutral or not supporting either side in an argument. So neutrality is a key principle emphasized by the Red Crescent when providing aid. And we also said that Red Crescent volunteers work to prevent suffering for everyone regardless nationality, race, religion, or gender. So this is neutrality according to the Federation of the Red Crescent and the Red Cross. And this is the end of discussing everything related to the Red Crescent article. Thank you for watching and goodbye for the next video.